Dear students, yesterday we derived the equation to find total pressure and center of pressure on an inclined plane surface, and also one problem on rectangular inclined plane surface. Yesterday I put to our group as well as in the Google Classroom. Today let us see one more problem on inclined plane surface of circular plane surface. Today let us take the problem on circular inclined plane surface with the free surface of liquid. So let us start now. A circular plate 3-meter diameter is immersed in water in such a way that its greatest and least depths below the free surface of water are 4 meter and 1.5 meter respectively. Determine the total pressure and center of pressure. So first we have to go for the sketch. We have to take the plane surface, circular plane surface, which is perpendicular to the paper. That is why we can show it just like as a line. When you draw its side view, we will get its a circular plane. Okay, this plane makes an angle theta with the free surface of liquid. And the lower edge, this is the lower depth, means lower depth is 1.5 meter, and upper and higher depth is this much, 4 meter. So by taking these heights 4 meter and 1.5 meter total, then we will get the inclination of this plane making an angle theta with the plane surface. Now by drawing the side view of this plane perpendicular to the paper, we will get the circular plane which is inclined to the surface. Now we have to name this plane surface A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and center of gravity G of the plane surface is at a distance, which is at a distance h bar from the free surface of liquid. So this length, this depth, and the diameter of the circular plate is 3 meters. So its the radius is 1.5 meter. Okay. So now from this figure, now we go for calculation. Diameter of the given quantity first. Diameter of plate 3 meter. Area pi d square by 4, that is 7.068 meter square. Distance Cg from free surface of water h bar. That one only we have to find out first. So h bar equals to, from the figure we see here, CD plus GC sin theta. CD, this is CD 1.5, but what about this height? So total distance h bar is CD plus this much of height. So in order to find out this much of height, we go for this GC sin theta, because triangle, you see here, you see here this triangle. So in order to get this height, you have to take that GC into sin theta, because this is the same angle theta will get here. So CD plus GC sin theta, 1.5 plus 1.5 sin theta, but sin theta equals to, from the figure you see here, ABC triangle you take, ABC. What about sin theta? AB by BC, because opposite side divided by hypotenuse will give the sin theta. So AB by BC. So AB equals to B minus A, AB, here AB, total length B is how much? 4, and what about this length AE, that is how we may write AB as BE minus AE, will get this much of AB. So BE minus A divided by BC. So BE is 4 meter and the CD is 1.5 meter. So 4 minus DC divided by 3, nothing but 4 minus 1.5 divided by 3. You will get the 0.833. So therefore theta equals to sine inverse of 0.833. We will get in terms of angle. Is it not? That is sin inverse of something angle we will get. Okay. Next, therefore some value of theta will get. So now h bar equals to 1.5 plus 1.5 into sin theta means what? 0.833. So total answer is 2.749 meter will get. Therefore total pressure equals to F equals to 1000 density of water rho GH 1000 into 9.81 into 7.068 into 2.79749, nothing but what? Rho GAH H bar G. So the answer is 19,621 Newton. Next, to find center of pressure, that is H star. That is H star equals to Ig sin square theta. Ig sin square theta divided by AH bar plus H bar. Therefore Ig means pi d raised to 4 divided by 64. Ig for circular plane into sin square theta by AH bar plus H bar. Therefore pi into 3 raised to 4 divided by 7.068 into 2.75 to take plus 2.75 4 divided by 64. So therefore answer is 2.891 meter. 2.891 meter.